Chime Credit Builder is a financial product offered by Chime, an online bank designed to help individuals build or improve their credit scores. Here's how to use it. Open a Chime account. If you don't already have one, start by opening a Chime spending account. This is required to access Chime Credit Builder. Apply for Credit Builder. Once your spending account is set up, you can apply for Chime Credit Builder. Chime will check your eligibility, and if approved, you can activate the Credit Builder feature. Set up a secured credit card. Chime will issue you a secured credit card linked to a Credit Builder account. You will need to make an initial security deposit, which typically determines your credit limit. Your spending on this card will be reported to major credit bureaus. Make on-time payments. To build credit, use your secured credit card responsibly. Make small, regular purchases and pay your bill on time and in full each month. Consistent, on-time payments can positively impact your credit score. Monitor your progress. Chime provides tools to track your credit score's progress over time. Regularly check your credit score through the Chime app to see how your efforts are paying off. Upgrade to an unsecured card. As your credit score improves, Chime may offer you the opportunity to upgrade to an unsecured credit card, which doesn't require a security deposit. This can further enhance your credit building journey. Practice good financial habits. Beyond Chime Credit Builder, maintain responsible financial habits such as paying all your bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and avoiding unnecessary debt.